Morning guys, we are on another adventure and I thought I would show you some of this journey. It's very pretty, but not as pretty today. Let me show you. The clouds are quite thick, quite pea-soupy. But come along and see what we get up to.
We're cruising the ocean, chasing the light, party until the sun sets goodnight.
Right, we're at the first destination. I wasn't going to show you guys this. I don't know how interested you'll be, but I'll give you a little look. You might enjoy it, who knows? We are here for Mr KimLuxia. Loves a bit of tools. We're at the North of England woodworking show, but stick around if you're not interested in this, because we are going into Harrogate later, and I don't know if you've been, but it is beautiful, although the weather is not good. But yeah, hopefully we can park somewhere near today. Yeah, anyway, I will see you guys later.
From mountains high to skies so wide, we're soaking through the sky. Together we ride the streets and stars above. Every trip's a story, laughter and love. Hidden corners, secret dreams, Mr KimLuxia's clever schemes.
Right guys, we're into the excitement now. If you're into CNC machines, it's the place to be.
With a smile so wide, penguin footprints by the seaside. Music echoes, hearts collide. We're forever travelers, side by side. We're cruising the ocean, chasing the light, party until the sun sets goodnight.
52 kilos. I have to get to the key right here, and then passing them through. We'll lower them before I do my actual cutting. And you know, for many saws in that side, you know, you're going to lose your finger. Like, what you're doing. Actually, with the saw stop, they have a technology in them which stops the blade if it ever contacts skin. So the way that it works is 3 volts of current going through the blade at all times. As soon as it hits something conductive, the skin, then a resistor breaks and it fires a spring which hits this aluminium cartridge into the blade.
Right, we've got our lunch from in the Yorkshire cafe. I have gone for a turkey and ham pie, some chips. It does come with veg, but I didn't want it. And we also have a fish and chips over there, coffee and all that jazz. So yeah, I'll get into it. Pretty much finished it. It was tasty actually. It was one of those pies with a lid, my favourite ones. Some big chunks of chicken and gammon in there. We're good. Yeah.
What we do as a club is we invest in people. Each year we do a project, like this year's been the dark.
Yeah. We were just saying we were up there a few weeks ago, weren't we?
Yeah.
Back to the museum in Darlington, yeah.
Yeah, the Queen's Diamond Jubilee.
Yeah.
We all did love stones. In fact, as I said, we fell off the local toilet.
Oh.
The year before that, we did the opera side in town.
Manchester
There we go. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Great, thank you.
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, that was the North of England woodworking show, and wasn't it fabulous? Now for some fun, let's go into Harrogate and see what there is to see.
Thousand cheers as the dawn breaks through. KimLuxia shows what new for me.
You can see that across the road there, the Harrogate tap, that's at the station. Last time we came to stay over here, we went in there for a few beers. It was good. We have quite a selection if you're into your ale and you're in Harrogate. Victoria Shopping Centre. We all know what that means, don't we? We all know it means TK Maxx, don't we? We don't spend enough of our life in TK Maxx. Nothing else in here but that. It's upstairs, isn't it? So there's not much else in here. Oh, hello, Big Bear. Smells of baked goods. Yeah, I think up the stairs too. TK Maxx. All escalators lead to TK Maxx. Up we go. There it is, guys. The TK Maxx sign. Which is a sparkle lunch shoe. Very sparkly. Just got lost there in TK Maxx, guys. Mr KimLuxia to go back to the car because of the payment, so we're not sure we paid. So I had to find my way out to TK Maxx into Gages. Anyway, have a look at Harrogate. That's the Victoria Shopping Centre where TK Maxx was, or is. Nice red lights on the trees.
Red light.
Red light district of Harrogate. They always have the red lights though. I seem to remember, it's strange, we always come at this time of year. So. Over there, guys. The famous Becca's tea rooms. We're queuing up. What time of the year? What time of the day? We have been in. Oh, very nice. Very expensive cake, but you do get your brew and all the teapot. Yeah, it's nice. There's one of the RHS Gardens and a couple more places. Oh, that's in the Ivy. It wasn't actually a big queue at all. You've got to look in this window. How pretty and Christmas they are. Look, got a big green. How pretty. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And then we've got the ivy here. All Christmas stuff as well. Looking rather lovely. And then if you go along here, it's very posh. Yeah, there's the Blues bar, isn't it? Which is very nice in there. You go upstairs, there's a restaurant. Do the best belly walk with. You can rhubarb sauce. So good. You have like really loud blues music.
Right.
It's a cool place. Recommend it. Been in a couple of times. And it's opposite if you get the window seat in there. You sit looking opposite the park over there. Really pretty. Oh, this weather. Honestly. It's all pretty shops. And holiday jewellery. There's an antique place around here. I've been in a few times. Ah, good times as it is. There's cafes and stuff in there.
Golden streets and stars above. Every trip's a story of laughter and love. Hidden corners, secret dreams. Mr KimLuxia's clever schemes. Mr KimLuxia's clever schemes. From beautiful views to skies so wide, we're soaking through the world.
No, that's closed.
Golden streets and stars above. Every trip's a story.
Oh yes, it did the PM chocolates. Yes, was that here? Yeah, it was a good shop. It had souvenirs and all sorts. No, it's still here. The chocolates. Yum. I did. Oh, Chabot Kim. Oh yeah, that's cool. That's. Oh, intense ginger ale, my favourite. Yorkshire tea. Twinkly mug. Toast bag. Take your shoes and bring in the booze. Oh no, take off your shoes and bring in the booze. Soup of the day. Beer. And we've got the wrong hotel over there. And I've washed them. And they've round about here. Tea shop, champagne and fromage. Champagne, yeah? Fromage? No. Disgusting. I'll get back. Oil pump cream. Help if I get for over 108 years. It's a Sunday, it's something. Bench. Museum. £4.20. Yeah, we've never been in there, have we? Over there, guys, is the oldest pub in Harrogate. Oh, we're all colours, but I don't know how you see it. Original gas lights. Beer garden to the rear. Look what we'll be needing a beer garden today. It is very wet. Gas light lounge, gas lit lounge. I mean, look at the little inside. If I had more time, I should have gone in and had a beer because you can look through ground. There's a pretty lights, guys. Look lovely. I do like this time of year. Wandering around town. Just don't like the weather. The garden. Into the garden. Oh. It's very pretty, this one, yeah. The winter gardens, it's one of the prettiest Weatherspoons I've been in. Been in many times. Yeah, it's lovely. Really pretty. The history for you here at the Winter Gardens Wetherspoons. So yes, that was the Winter Gardens. One of my favourite Wetherspoons. The building's just awesome, and it looks really cool because it's got its Christmas lights up. So just wanted to nip in and show you guys if you've not been. It is a good one if you like the nice buildings of Wetherspoons. Look at all the penguins. That big dive one at the back, so cute. I've got a couple of jelly cat ones. Look at that little rock copper.
Yeah.
It's so cute. Right guys, we're back in the car. We have done our whistle-top store of Harrogate. Whistle-top store? One of them. Hey guys. Who's pissing about now? My glasses are steaming up. Right, we are back in the car. We have done our whistle-stop tour of Harrogate. Hope you've enjoyed it. We have a couple of hour drive home now. So we're going to get off. It's been a fun day. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao for now. Less murky.